आप चाहो या ना चाहो, जैसा आपने कहा कि विद योर एक्शंस, विद हु यू आर, विद योर बिहेवियर्स, विद द इम्पैक्ट दैट यू आर क्रिएटिंग, आपका लीडरशिप ब्रांड बन रहा है. अब वो इंटेंशनली हो रहा है या बाय डिफॉल्ट हो रहा है, that's the question to ask, right? Now, many leaders, or I would say even most leaders, don't intentionally craft their leadership brand. It's just basically about who they are. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि यार मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, ये मैं हूँ, right? It is their habits, it is their reactions. So for them, what are those few conscious choices you think leaders can make to design their brand intentionally, rather than कि बस उसको default पे चलते रहने?
हाँ. So I would say think about certain things that you would want to be known for. Like I know people, I know leaders who are known for execution. I cited one instance last question also. And even with execution, it is a very big brand, or I would say it's a great brand, because not everybody can close what they open. So you choose that you want to be known as an executioner, or you want to be known, even very, very simple things I'm bringing up, like closing something is not something great you have to do, right? You can be a brand in terms of helping others. So there are people who will keep on helping others, and that establishes their brand. And you also would have seen connecting with people, that those people who help others, they have a better influence than somebody sitting at a higher chair, right? So even that can be your starting point. Your starting point can be knowing Excel. Your starting point can be very good communication. Anything that you are bringing to table, you have to define it, that okay, I want to be known for this. So say, like you rightly said, Prashant, that there will be someone who does it once, does it twice, but consistently nahi kar rahe hain. तो ब्रांड बिल्डिंग नहीं हो रहा है. इफ यू आर नोइंग एक्सेल बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू कंसिस्टेंटली प्रोड्यूस रिजल्ट्स, कोई बोलेगा हाँ इसको एक्सेल आता है, पर इसकी वो थॉट लीडरशिप है, वो ब्रांड है एक्सेल का एक्सपर्ट, वो नहीं बन पाएगा. लाइकवाइज इफ यू आर हेल्पिंग पीपल, एक दो बार किया फिर कभी नहीं किया consistently, that's why the ICC has consistency as a very important element. So to start with, define आपको करने के लिए कुछ बहुत सोचना नहीं है. Everybody knows what are their strengths. I mean, इतना self awareness हमें होना चाहिए if we have reached that level. So start from there. Then you have to consistently behave in that way. You have to every day show choices जिसमें वो दिखे कि आप वो consistently करो. जैसे Excel की expertise की हम बात कर रहे हैं, but आपका सब कुछ खुद manually कर रहे हो आप, then it is not showing in the choices. You do it for others, but you are not exhibiting that in your own actions.